It's almost a month now when I joined Alpha, and for me, it's not a rehab. I believe it's a healing center in true sense because you are not forced to do anything. They simply try to motivate you. They try to teach you. They try to change your mindset. They make your mood stable. They talk to you. They give so much of time to you. They give you all facilities, good nutritional food, that is most important. And you have got such a good routine that you are never alone. And you realize yourself that, yes, what I missed in my life. So once again, you feel like you are at a very relaxing mode. I would call it as a vacation for me, a vacation with improvement. Rather than seeing that I wasted my time here, I lost so many things, I lost my work as well. I don't think that is more important. This is more important because once I go back, I'm sure in my recovery phase, this 1 month will be very helpful. I'll be reminded of all those days which I spent here and I learned something new every day. I feel music is the most important part of your daily curriculum once you are tired or you're happy. It relaxes you in both situations. So music is good, and I love swimming, which they have got a nice swimming pool. I made sure that I was here in the pool almost every evening. Yoga is a very important part, which is very routinely done here. Then meditation, and then all the therapists who are there, they are focused on their work. They take a good history and they identify what is your real problem, and then they discuss it amongst themselves, and then they reach to some particular treatment for you. Any therapy, any be it behavioral therapy or in the form of medicine. So there's a good coordination going on. That is the best part. See, uh, I'm very busy with my profession, so never had time to think even that what I'm doing with myself is a real disease, a disease which is carrying me to such great extent of destruction. So it is a taboo, people feel that going to a healing center or rehab center or anywhere for treatment, because I always say, like you have got psychiatric illness, this addiction is also illness. It's a disease of the brain. So accept this, that this is a disease of the brain. And it is a taboo in a society, even till date, what I feel. Because many of the educated people, even they are afraid and they are ashamed of going to a rehab center or to any other treatment, seeking treatment. So that is how it get delayed. And you never realize that through which stage you are passing. It is only the people around you who feel that something is going wrong. See, मुझे वो गाना याद आता है कि कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. और इसका सॉल्यूशन ये भी है कि अपना काम बनता तो बाल में जाए जनता. You have to focus on yourself. To get treated, you should be very selfish. That it is me. Whatever you are doing, whatever therapy you are taking, whatever treatment you are taking, it is for your good first. And only then the family is going to accept you and the society and community. This is how it goes. So unless you improve, and for that improvement, you need to be very focused. You have to be very honest with yourself that, yes, I have a problem and I'll get it treated. Rather than being ashamed of it and hiding from it is just like, बगल में बिल्ली बैठी हुई है और कबूतर आंख बंद करके बैठ गया. It is going to eat you away. So be open minded. It's not that कि आप कभी सही नहीं हो सकते. You don't have any disease which is incurable. It takes a time for recovery, but once you are out of it, I think life would be very different. This is what I have felt here. Even in 1 month, I feel so energetic. My mood is so stable. I have a better clarity of thoughts now. I can I can see things in a different perspective now. Earlier, I was very different. What I used to feel was, मैंने जो बोल दिया वो ठीक है. उसके दाएं बाएं कुछ नहीं सोचना. It is to be a tubular vision. सामने दिख रहा है बस मुझे. बाकी साइड में किसकी गाड़ी जा रही है कुछ नहीं दिखता था. So honestly speaking, I would simply say, forget about this world. Who thinks? Find people who are really good around you, who care for you, and that may be your first thing. That may be your family only. So if your family is caring for you, I think they'll identify. They are the best people around you who identify your behavior. That yes, there is something wrong with him, and then they would probably guide you and accept it. Yes, it is for your betterment. It is not for them. First of all, it is for the betterment of you yourself, and only then family is going to help you, and they'll also be happy after this. Thank you so much.